Omni-Man. Also known as Nolan Grayson, he is the initial focal point of the Viltrumite Empire on Earth. Arriving under the guise of a benevolent protector, his true mission was to prepare the planet for inevitable conquest. He possesses the standard suite of abilities for his species, including flight, immense super strength, and near invulnerability. Over time, his integration into human society and the family he built began to conflict with his ingrained imperial conditioning. This internal struggle makes him a foundational figure in understanding the emotional capacity of a race typically defined by ruthless efficiency. Invincible. Born Mark Grayson, he represents the bridge between human empathy and Viltrumite power. As a hybrid, his abilities manifested during his teenage years, thrusting him into a complex world of intergalactic politics and brutal warfare. Unlike purely bred members of his father's race, he was raised with human morals, leading him to actively resist the Empire's expansionist agenda. His unique lineage proved that their genetics are highly compatible with humans, resulting in offspring whose potential rivals or even exceeds that of purebloods. He stands as a symbol of rebellion and the potential for change within a stagnant, violent culture. Thrag. Serving as the Grand Regent of the Empire, he is widely considered the strongest and most lethal member of his species. Bred for combat and leadership, his entire existence is dedicated to the preservation and dominance of his people, especially after a devastating virus nearly wiped them out. He leads with an iron fist, demanding absolute loyalty and punishing failure with immediate execution. His formidable power level comes from centuries of relentless training and warfare, making him the ultimate obstacle for anyone opposing the Empire's rule. Conquest. This scarred, aging warrior is the Empire's most feared enforcer, deployed only when a planet actively resists subjugation. He is noticeably older than many of his peers, bearing a missing arm and a damaged eye as badges of honor from centuries of unceasing combat. Rather than viewing fighting as a duty, he actively revels in violence and bloodshed, finding genuine joy in breaking strong opponents. His presence in the narrative serves to highlight the sheer brutality and sociopathic tendencies that their culture often rewards and weaponizes.